How to use DiCredit Fix solutions properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. DiCredit Repair can save money, but beginners often make mistakes that slow progress or damage credit further. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. The first mistake is not reviewing your credit report carefully. Errors in personal info, account balances, or late payments must be identified before any fixes. Skipping this step leads to ineffective efforts. Another common error is sending generic dispute letters. Personalized, detailed letters referencing the exact errors increase success rates. Using templates blindly may result in ignored disputes. Many Di users also overlook tracking deadlines. Credit bureaus have strict timelines for dispute responses. Missing these can delay correction or cause disputes to be dismissed. A surprising mistake is applying too many credit changes at once. Opening new accounts or paying off balances too quickly can temporarily lower your score. Gradual, strategic improvements are safer. Finally, beginners often neglect monitoring progress. Use free tools to track credit score changes and confirm errors are corrected. Without monitoring, you won't know if your efforts are effective. To properly use DiCredit Fix solutions, review your report, write personalized disputes, track deadlines, implement changes gradually, and monitor results. Following these steps ensures safer, faster, and more effective credit repair.